Welcome back, all my extras. Thank you for being here today. I appreciate you. If you are new, hello, my name is Ralph by Design. I do bag-related content here on my YouTube, unboxings, reviews, vlogs, things of that nature. If that's something that you enjoy, please consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button down there below. It's totally free. And without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Right here she is in the Coach box. This did not come from Coach directly to me. In one of my Coach groups, a member, Terry, did post that she did have this bag. She wanted to trade it for something because she searched for it and it just didn't work out for her, which is totally fine. It happens. So like I said, she was searching for something else. She didn't know what that she wanted. So I messaged her because it was something that I had wanted for a while, in the color I wanted for a while. I just didn't snatch it up off the Coach website. It had sold out. All right, so this is the Coach box that it originally came in. So she just shipped it exactly the way that she got it, added a little extra bubble wrap. Thank you so much, Terry. I appreciate you. Wow, she really went in. Oh, a little note. Let's see. A Hallmark note. All right, a nice, cute little thank you card. I love the color. Hi, Raphael. Thank you so much for the trade. It was a pleasure chatting with you. Hope you enjoy your new pillow, Tabby. Terry. Awesome. I'm so excited for this. This came all the way from Florida. Terry, you got this out so fast. I really, really appreciate you. And she went in with this packaging. Like, I absolutely love it. I'm very excited about this because I do have other pieces. I have a Willis in this color and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. So let's get into the bag here. Okay, here we are in the dust bag. Okay, we'll set this off to the side. Here it is, so squishy, oh so soft already. I have played with one of these before in store, but not in this color. Before they officially launched these, I was in Las Vegas and I was searching around there and they just happened to have them in stock already, even before the launch date. So I was able to take a look at it and it's very sensory and I mean, I loved it, but not the color. The color personally was not for me. They had a color taffy, but I have always wanted this color, but it was sold out on the website very, very quickly. Here we are. Okay, let's get into it. And she's still fully wrapped. Absolutely. I see the color. You guys see the color? Right. Fully wrapped. Look at that. Like the strap is wrapped. It's still attached. Look at that color. I am obsessed. And the squish is where it's at. This color is stunning. Let me have a moment to take this in. Like, it is so pretty and squishy. Oh, I absolutely love that. She is gorgeous. Let me finish unwrapping her and I'll see you in a second. Here she is, you guys. Look at this color and with the combination of the brass hardware. I'm a big fan of brass hardware now. I have converted over to brass hardware. You don't have to worry about the chipping and the, it's a lot more durable. And look at the way that it looks with this green. Like, personally, I prefer the brass over like the light gold or shiny gold. To me, it just looks more elegant. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. And you guys, this color is green. It's literally just called green. Let me see the style number, C0772, and the color green. The leather tabby, pillow tabby 26. Price tag moment there. And I am loving this. It comes with the top handle, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. And let's get into this crossbody strap. It is really nice, thick, and what I love about it is that carries over the theme of the pillow. I don't know if you guys can see there, but this has the same kind of like, I don't know if it's memory foam or what it is to it that carries it on over. This is probably not going to be long enough for me to wear crossbody, just shoulder carry. But I did pick up something on Amazon that is going to help with that. It is these little extenders. I'm very excited to be using these a lot. It came with a 2-pack and it was like, I think like 15 bucks or so. This is gonna help if you're on the plus size, if you're a little bit bigger, a little bit more curvy, if you're tall. This is gonna help you a lot. So you can actually use the straps that your bags come with, because I found myself a lot previously that these crossbody straps do not fit me crossbody. I can wear long shoulder and that's about it, but not crossbody. But with this little guy here that I picked up on Amazon, I'll link it down below, my affiliates link on where exactly you can find these, because they're a little tricky to find. I don't know if you're familiar, but this little like design cue here comes from like the swinger chain. So it actually ties in perfectly with it. It is very well made. It does not say Coach on it because this is not technically a Coach product, but it's gonna do wonders on it. And I'll show you guys here what it looks like. You just connect your regular strap that your bag came with to that, and look at that. It extends your crossbody strap, you know, maybe about 3-4 inches on each side. So you put this on and you can definitely, I can definitely wear this crossbody. And look, it just matches perfectly. It looks like it came with the bag. It's super, super, super cute. And you could also use it on the shoulder strap. Like, how cute is that? That just adds extra on extra. You guys know me, I absolutely love that. And that allows you to wear it shoulder perfectly fine. I'm so glad I picked that up on Amazon. That is such a lifesaver. They have it in the gunmetal. They have it in the light gold if you prefer the light gold. And they also have a silver. So like I said, I'll link it down below in the description box of this video. And you guys can check it out. Okay, let's just give you a little tour here. Okay, so we have the color green. It's just literally what they call it. They just call it green. A lot of people call this Kelly green. It's a very bright, beautiful green. It's the same shade of green that's on my Willis. Different than what's on my Cashin that you can see back there. But she just has like this squish to her everywhere. It's got the C clasp that's actually wrapped in the same color leather. You see how like, you just see how squishy she is. I don't know what they put in here. If it's memory foam, if it's air, whatever it is, it just makes it super soft. There's the bottom. And look at this hang tag. I think the hang tag is adorable. It's so squishy and it just goes with it. I love the fact that this reminds me of a Bottega Veneta bag. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Bottega, but it's super hot right now. In this green, and they normally do like this quilted kind of look, but it's got that pillow vibe to it. It's not like a exact dupe, but it gives me the same kind of vibes because it's got that squish, it's got the pillow, and it's got the green. The green is gorgeous. This is the Bottega bag that this kind of reminds me of. It's just giving me the same kind of like vibe with the color, with the squish. It's Coach's own version of it, and I absolutely love it. At $4.95, this is a fraction of the cost of the Bottega bag. This is totally worth every penny, and this one is like perfect. I have seen some that this piece right here has like major creases or deflated. I mean, there's a little something here, but like I think this is a perfect example of this bag. Now this color is sold out and it is kind of hard to find, but it is available to find. If this is your bag, like I said, when this first launched, I was obsessed with this green and I contemplated it for way too long and it sold out. The other color that sold out really quickly was like a candy orange, I believe. That one's also really hard to find, but the green is like the hardest, and when you do find it, it's like a ridiculous price. But she's a stunner and I could see why. Like, you know, you just see this and it's such a statement piece. You guys know me. Look at how adorable this strap goes with it, you guys. Like, come on, like, This is stunning. And what a fun little like shoulder carry. You got your green and then you got your Pride rainbow chain there. I absolutely love that combination. I'll probably actually just, when I'm wearing it crossbody, instead of using the strap that it came with, which I love, I will actually probably use this instead because I just think it goes so well with it. It's super, super cute. Let's get into the inside of this bag. So it does have, just like the other Tabbies, it has a magnetic clasp. You hear that? One more time. That is so satisfying, you guys. Does anybody else enjoy that? I hear a good magnet clasp like that and it just does it for me. That's what screams the quality to me. Okay, the inside, it is leather as well. Oh, so sweet of her. So the dust bag is in here and she sent it with another dust bag out there. I don't know if Coach sent it to her that way, but she sent it to me that way and I appreciate you. Thank you, Terry. Let me get this all unstuffed so I can show you guys the inside. Okay, so if you're familiar with the Tabby 26, this is the same exact layout. You got your 3 compartments there. You got your zip pocket in the center. The difference though is this is all delicious leather inside and out, except for the center pocket, which is perfectly fine because with these kind of pockets, this is where I would put my change, something that I'd be worried that would make the leather dirty. I put it in those pockets. I mean, as a bonus, you guys know me and I love like quality things and just some things that Coach does it, they do it well. When they put that leather interior on that inside, to me, it just sends it over the top. It makes it so elegant, so expensive feeling. And there's so many other, you know, high-end brands out there that don't line their bags with leather. And this is just stunning, gorgeous leather inside and out. It is just as soft inside as it is on the outside. I am absolutely obsessed with this bag. What's nice about this bag that I love, I do have another Tabby 26 in, what's the color? Honeycomb. I've never used it. I'm actually going to offer it up for sale, but I've never used it because it is very stiff. So because it is so stiff, you can't fit as much. This, on the other hand, is so soft and flexible. Like you can really open up those compartments without feeling like you're stretching out that leather and fit so much more. You can put a long wallet, you can put a card case, you can put your pill case, perfume, a little makeup bag in there. And then you still have the center compartment. You can load this thing up and it just holds so much more. And then it gives you that satisfying click. I am obsessed. I am so excited about this. Like this, my friend Joseph, you guys remember Joseph? He was telling me he picked one up and he was like, oh my gosh, you need a pillow, Tabby. I am obsessed. It's such a great carry. Literally, you can just sit here all day long, just squishing this. It's so sensory. I absolutely love that. You know what I just thought? I have the perfect charm for this that I picked up recently from my crystal gal. If you're watching, hello. This is going to be perfect. Check this out. All right, so I picked this charm up for my crystal gal, Elise. She is amazing. I seen this and I'm like, I need it. Look at that. Like, how cute is that? Like, it's a little charm. I believe you can use it like for a necklace and whatnot. I believe it's made out of malachite, a natural crystal. Like, how perfect is that? It's like pretty much the same shade of green. Look at that, how adorable. That malachite green that's there, it goes perfectly. It's like the same shade. It was like almost like it was meant for this bag. I think that is adorable little addition there. I'm gonna use it on all my green bags. I think that is adorable. It's always good to have a little cute crystal with you. It's a purse crystal on a purse in the same color. That is so cute. You guys know I love little details and that is just perfect. That sends it over the top. That makes it extra on extra for me. I look at that with the shoulder strap on there. I mean, that just adds the extra on extra. That green with that brass hardware, it looks stunning. I'm gonna have so much fun wearing this. And then with these Amazon extenders that I got, It's just gonna make this bag and every other bag that I have with brass hardware just that much easier for me to wear crossbody. I'm gonna pick these up in every color. That way I never have to worry about a crossbody strap ever again. And it just works perfectly with that. I've searched high and low for this bag and it's hard to find, and when you do, like I said, it's ridiculously priced. Huge shout out to Terry for this bag. I am obsessed with it. Thank you so much again. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. I appreciate each and every single one of you. And don't forget, you guys, stay extra out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.